OZKI stands for, so OZ is Aussie, Australia, which is where we started the band. Ki is for Kiwi, where we were born in New Zealand. That's how the name was formed up by our dad as well.
Yeah, very exciting. It's always good to come back and let you know people here, because the brothers mentioned that we have been, I think, on like over 15 tours now. Yeah, so it's always good to come home and give back to our people, our talents, just to showcase the talents that we have. So it might encourage the youth in Samoa to, might encourage them in a real positive way to bring out their gifts and talents. And it's always good to come back and support the brothers here, because I think Samoa was the platform that they started on, and to see them just grow every year since they started, and that's all.
Yeah, I'd say there is. Samoa probably has the most toughest crowd.
I think so too, because Samoans, they're observers, I mean, they like to party and that, but they like to sit there and observe you. But it's because we're from Samoa, like the band started here, we know how they work. But if outside bands were to come in, it's a different vibe for them, because they just sit there and just like look at you. But really, they're really appreciating, the band, because they've never seen. Yeah, I reckon there's a big difference in the different markets. I reckon Samoa's real observance.
Oh, because these guys are my cousins, and then their dad got me to play for them. It was actually I was actually trying to drop off. Was it a keyboard at your house? And then you guys had a gig that night, and then suddenly I just joined in on that night. By accident.
We do have some big tours coming up, big shows. We've got one to American Samoa, another one, a big one that we're just planning now for the US and Hawaii as well.
You guys thinking of going to Hawaii?
Yes,
that's another dream of ours.
We'll be in Hawaii.
Salamo, uamba sa aole ipuve.